Where's your baby, Mom? You guys have the babies too? All right, you guys are so happy now, huh? Yes, now you have something to play with. You guys are going to be in here all the time. Yeah, you have so much time to be in here. It's scary too, huh? Yes, you guys can sleep with that. Oh, she says, okay, if you don't want that one, then I think I know. Oh, they're going to switch now. Mama, let's get the baby, honey. Okay. Did you guys get your babies too? Huh? Did you get your babies? Look at that fatso girl. They're thinking about it. Hello. Careful, mamas. Don't go in the water. Happy face, yes. Okay. We have two happy doggies. Okay, bye kids. Bye mamas. Go get your squeaker toy, Mom. I hope that she knows it's there, because if she doesn't see it, she's probably not going to know it's a squeaker. But she loves the squeaker. You hear that squeaker, Mom? Oh, look at who come up to say hi. You were grumpy pants earlier, huh? Yeah, you were not grumpy, but you were so scared. Yes. Good kid. Okay, you guys all hang in there, okay? Now you got it, huh?